Hello friends, welcome back to Adista Maths Tutor. In today's video we'll be looking at a quantitative reasoning question. This is part of mathematics and this is one of the areas that even teachers find difficult, because as a teacher in the classroom, if you don't know what to do, then your children are in trouble, because definitely you're going to be the one to direct them, guide them through the examples given. They understand the concepts so they can do the rest. But if as a teacher you don't know what to do, then it's a problem. And that's why you need to learn this. I want to use this particular question, for instance. Now we'll have a sample. Look at in this sample, the first sample has, you can see this is a triangle. You have 3 here. You have 3 here. Have 5. Have 6. Have 10. Now, if you study the entire sample, 7 here, 2, 4, 14, and all that. If you study the entire sample, let me show you something going on here. Check very well. This 6 down here, the 6 you are seeing here times 5 will give you 30. The 3 up there and the 10 in the middle will give you 30. That means this times this will be equal to what this times that gives you. Now, this one, 2 times 14 is 28, 7 times 4 is 28. Here, 3 times 33 is 99, 11 times 9, 99. Do you understand? So, look at the questions. Number 1, I have these two sides, and I know that these two sides, 14 times 3 will give me 42. So, for me to get this one, I will ask myself, what will I multiply by 6 to give that 42? So invariably 42 divided by 6, and that's the simple thing. You understand? If you are asking for what number will I multiply by 6 to give me 42, it simply means 42 divided by 6. So this one, number 1, the answer is 7. The second one will have the two angles of the two sides of the horizontal plane. 4 times 4 is 8. The question now will be, what number will I multiply? Okay, 4 times 4 is 16, sorry. The question now will be, what number will I multiply by 2 to get 16? Invariably, 16 divided by 2. So what will be top here is 8. This one, 13 times 5. That's what you are seeing here. So 13 times 5 will give me 65. So 13 is here automatically. 5 will be here because 13 times 5, 2 will give me the same number. Now this one number, okay, the second one is, now I have a complete one, the middle one and the top one. So 20 times 1 is 20. So to get this one will be 5 times what will give me 20. That is 20 divided by 5. The answer is 4. Here I also have the one top and the middle. 10 times 2 is 20. I will also ask myself, 4 times 1 will give me 20, which is 5. Here I have half times 4. You understand it? Half times 4 is what? Is 2. If you really understand mathematics, half times 4 is 2. So what number will I multiply by 2 to get the same 2? It is 1. So the answer here is 1. Here I'm going to have 3 times 21 is 63. So what number will I multiply by 7 to get 63? Or the other way around, 63 divided by 7, the answer here is 9. So this one is 27 multiplied by 1 over 3 is 9. If you know your mathematics very well. 27 multiplied by 1 over 3 is 9. So the question is, what number will I multiply by 3 to get 9? The answer is 3. So number 7 is 3. You can see what we have done in all of these things. That's exactly how to go about it. So this last one says, okay, here is half times 8 is 4. So what number will I multiply by 2 to get 4 is 2. So this one is 2. Here I have 16 times 6 will give me 96. What number will I multiply by 12 to get 96? And the answer is 8. So number 8, the answer is 8. So you can see how we do this stuff. If you understand it, this is why you know that each question presents its own problem. The way you get this one may not be the same way you interpret another one. But as a teacher, we'll be able to think deeply Sometimes teachers will say, oh, something is wrong. Students will say, no, they might be mistake. There's no mistake. It's all about you reasoning very well, because that's what we call them reasoning. These are logics. Quantitative reasoning sometimes for younger children in the primary schools is even harder than the normal mathematics, because this one they need to dig deep with their brains, and it's good for brain development, and it helps the children in critical thinking, and that's why it's so wonderful. So I'm going to stop this video at this point. You're going to see more of this in our channel, so I encourage you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like this video. You can as well share it so that others can benefit. If you're a teacher, let your students visit this channel. They're going to get more and more and more. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.